When's the last time you jumped? It might sound simple, but new research found that women who spent just 10 minutes a day jumping 3 to 4 times a week went from osteopenic, meaning low bone density, to normal bone density in just a few months. No medications, no expensive machines, just movement. When estrogen levels drop during perimenopause and menopause, bone density naturally declines, setting the stage for osteoporosis. But impact-based exercises like simple jump rope or even jumping in place can rebuild bone strength and in some cases reverse osteopenia and osteoporosis altogether. That's an exciting breakthrough because women can lose up to 20% of bone mineral density in the 4 to 6 years around menopause. And after the age of 60, 2/3 of women will suffer a fracture. This is a real prevention you can do right now at home, no prescription required. Check out the caption below for some quick tips to jumpstart your journey back into optimal bone health.